Alright guys, hello, welcome back to the remaining code developer. Codelabs with the Google developers. Okay, adding navigational rail. Most apps can't fit everything into a single screen. The particular app probably could, but for didactic purposes, you are going to create separate screen for user's favorite to switch between two screens. You're going to implement your first stateful widget. Stateful widget. That means whatever is in this widget is a single page content. If you put stateless widget, it will take a whole page. It will not just contain one, it will contain two. Now, class my homepage, and that's this stateless widget. It's a one page class. Generator page extends stateless widget. Now that's page 2. The difference between this and this is absolutely not seeable at the app, but this one have big card sized about spell, and this one doesn't. Okay, now when you will see a visual easy ready, but it doesn't work. Clicking like the hot navigation bar does nothing. Two expanded widgets split all the available horizontal between themselves, even though the navigation rail only need a little left slice. This one. We're talking about this one. Inside expanded widgets, there's a colored container, and inside the container, the generator page. Stateless versus stateful widgets. Until my app state covered all your stats needs. That's why all the widgets you have written are so for stateless. They don't contain any mutable state of their own, and none of the widgets can change itself. They must go through my app state. Oh, now I see the app state. This is supposed to change. You need some way to hold the value of navigation rail selected index. You also want to be able to change the value from within on destination selected callback. You could add select index as yet another property of my state app. Okay, this is something a little bit confusing, but my app state extends change notifier, current word pair, random, favorites, word pair, blah 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 blah. Index at another widget 42. If my guess is right, this is limiting. Okay. Now enter stateful widget. Now we're changing the stateful. Okay. Oh, that changed. Okay, that's kind of easy, but ID creates a new class. My homepage state. This class extends state. Okay. Okay. Set state. Selected index property. Add this property. Introduce a new variable selected index and initiated 0. This new variable navigation rail instead of hard-coded 0 that was until now. When on destined callback, it's called merely select index set state. This is 0, I guess. This navigational rail is now 0. Now they're clicking both and it's not changing because they both have the same code. Okay. Use selected index. Switch selected index. Page is equal to page generator. Page is equal to placeholder. Break. Throw unimplemented error. No widget for selected index. So you get a stateful page and you put widgets in there. The code declares your new variables. Then a switch statement assigns screen to a page according to the current value selected index. Since there is no favorite pages yet, use placeholder, a handy widget that draws across. Okay. Okay. Now they have written case 1, case 2. Because this is case 0 and case 1, I guess. Yeah, case 0, generator page 2, placeholder. Default, throw unimplemented error, no widget for selected index. Safe area, navigational rail. Now this is the main body, because this is the main now. Because you choose this, the page will be displayed. That's for why the body is now row, child, navigational rail, destination, home, the icon home and its name's home, navigational rail, destination, icon, favorite, text, favorites. Now this is a navigational bar. You can also say as a home bar in normal web developments. Okay. Expand, child, container, theme, color, primary container. This is a color theme selector. Okay, select index, selected index on destination value. Okay, this is a part I don't understand, but if my guess is right, this is simply the click. Set states selected index equal to value. On destination selected value, but the value is not mentioned here. Maybe it comes in the next page, I guess. Because the value itself is the code. This is just a navigational bar. This is what, but if we click this, the value will be the page. Okay, since the page code is not mentioned here, it's about. All right, now let's look at this. Inside my homepage build methods, put your cursor on scaffold, call up refactor, wrap up with a builder, modify newly laid out, builder to layout builder, builder context and constraints. This is simply the navigational bar is getting changed. This is still the navigational bar. Oh, wow. Nice. That's actually neat. Pretty neat. As you like, this is so neat that the placeholder, not the placeholder, I mean the layout builder, context and constraints. The normal page gets changed into this. Now add a new page. Now we already have 2 pages, but what to do for a new page? Favorite page. since the favorite page is not mentioned, because we've been designing this page only if the favorite page doesn't have any context. So now we're adding favorite page class, favorite page extends stateless widget must have added if app state favorite is empty, return child text no favorites yet, return list view, padding, edge, you have favorite length favorites. That's actually something, because if they clicked like, that will be shown here. If they didn't click like, it will not be shown here. Do you understand what they did? If they click like, this page will be the favorite. If they didn't click like, it will not show up here. No favorites, because you didn't click the favorite. If you click, that page will show up here. Yeah, what? Okay, that may be a wrong statement, because bad dad, what? Oh, wait, what? These are all like, the random texts. Dude, they didn't mention the most of the codes here, because these are random codes, and whatever you click like, they will be in this widget. App favorite is empty, no favorites. Edge install app favorite links, you have app state favorites, list, leading icon, title, text bar, low. Okay, this is a little bit confused for me as well, but that's what they did. This is a random text. It was created in add functionality, I guess, that if you click next, the random text will be generated. It was something like in between back there. Yeah, I kind of cleared all those codes, but it was somewhere along the way that you click next, the random text will be generated. You can get the final code of this app at Codelab repo. Well, now I can show you that. Okay, next steps, congratulations, and look at you took functional scaffold, widget responsive. What we covered, the basic of Flutter, creating layouts in Flutter, connecting user interactions, like button, app behavior, keep oriented. Look at that, you did get milestone. I don't know what that is, but let's see. I hope it's something similar. Nice, nice, man. Gotta say, this is nice. Oh my god, that is so neat. Not gonna lie. Finished. We have completely successfully finished, and we got, what do we got? In my Google page developer, I got a badge, I guess. I'm not sure if that's what you call a badge. Yup, I got a badge. Code 1 plus completed. Next milestone, code 1 plus Codelabs. Badge details. Okay, it's not mentioning, but it's mentioning that you finished a code. And this is the complete code, I believe. Wait, where is that? This is the complete code. You see that? I deleted some of them. Now let me show you that random text generator. Blah, 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 blah. Favorite page generator notifier remove. It was on click next, right? It was on homepage. Homepage. Generator page, favorite page. Should I just search? What? Let's just copy this. It got shit tons of errors now. Not to mention, I think I copied some unwanted things. Yep. 207 is the what? Still shows tons of errors. I'm still searching for that. Wait, the errors all comes in the top. Oh god. Seriously, man? Oh, now this is literally errorless. Now I can actually run it. Run the code. Now it's launching. Wait, it's definitely the button, right? It's launching. Let's wait for the launch. Extend, seed color, deep orange, blah, 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 blah. Home page. What's the name of the home page? I'm pretty sure that code will be there. This is so ridiculous. I'm still searching for that. That random text generator. Oh, there we go. You click next. Final word pair. Oh. Wow, I still can't find it. Either I'm blind or I can't. That code no longer exists. Should be here. This is the layout, the beginner page. Color page, statefulness. Finally, we launched it. We launched the complete coded app. The reason my code didn't work because I deleted something thinking that's not necessary. But it's wrong. There we go. Get next. Where is this? You see, when you click like, it's supposed to toggle favorite and generate a new text, which I'm trying to find, but I'm unable to find. Where's the search button? Is there any search button? Find. Okay, I can't find it. I can't find that random text generating code. If you click like, it will generate a text, but I can't find it. Pretty sure if I had a search. Yeah, there we go. We found a search. Random. Yeah, there we go. Found it. There we go. It's in the. Oh my god, why the fuck I didn't see it? It gets defined like earlier. I'd get next word pair random. This is the random. I was saying. Like you click next, you get random. You like it, you click next, you like it, click next. Bad depth. Ball map. What the fuck? Fate cow. These are really weird stuff. Sprayback, weak map, still golf. And you click favorites and all the things you like will show up. See? Simple, easy. This is kind of same in everything. Okay, I was trying to find this. It took so long, but that's it. You have completed your free app, which was listed by them, not by you, by them. Philip. I think this guy named Philip is the one who made this. Build games easily and silly software experiments. Flutter, doll, language, ex-Google. He's an ex-Google guy. Nice. Alright guys, that's it. We have completed our code, and you can just find this link here. And that's the end of the first Flutter tutorial and first Flutter things I have learned about, important things about widgets and the CSS formats here. I will be working on them, and my next video will be following others tutorials. I mean, we just completed what the Flutter asked. Flutter asks us to complete that because by completing this we have understood a lot of things. Learn more. Wait, let's go. Building layouts. Oh, we got resources. There are a lot of resources. Flutter basic, applying your existing knowledge, other resources, Flutter cookbook, bootstrap into Dot. Okay. Now we will be looking into this samples and tutorials next. After checking out these links, we will go to this samples and tutorials because the next one is from another platform. Not really our thing because we're beginners. So we'll go with this and development and testing and debugging and performance and optimization and deployment and resources, possibly our resources, I bring, and reference, who's dash, who widget, etc. I think our journey will end with the deployment. So resources and references are goes higher, I guess. Anyway, that's it for today. Next, we start with samples and tutorials. Flutter gallery. We'll start with that later. I guess cookbook is the only thing that's gonna have a lot of like samples and stuff, since they already mentioned cookbook here. Yep, no wait. Animation, designs, effects, forms, gestures, images, lists. These are all something you need for your web pages. Codelabs, if my guess is correct. Yep. Codelabs will give you like what we just did in a different ways, I believe. Tutorials. Okay. Possibly this is where more in inside look. You see that? Galleries. I believe these are all widgets. Designed widgets. Guess not ours. Someone else's. Yeah, you can get like codes and materials from here. Gallery. If you like a design, you just simply take it as you like. I mean, these are all user interfaces, like tabs. These tabs. You simply get the code from there. You get this code and apply it to your own website. Simple, right? These are all user interfaces, which Flutter provides. All right, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Next time, we will start with the samples and tutorials, and we already checked out this too. Flutter gallery repository. I'm guessing it's gonna go to GitHub. Yep. These are all your, everything you need is here. You can just literally pull it and use for whatever you need. Sample apps on. Yep. These are all samples. Maps, place trackers. Dude, you get every code. You simply copy paste it and modify it to your needs. Okay. We already looked at all these three galleries or user interfaces code. Flutter gallery, similar. Sample on GitHub. These two are same. It's just a little bit different. That's it. Cookbook is something that we will start tomorrow by looking at each widgets one by one. But we're not gonna skip like we did with this one, because this was the test project. Codes were provided by them, but all this will be done by my own hand when I learn them. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in next video about how my journey starts, or how I'm gonna fucking learn it. Oh, sorry if you're using a word like that. Anyway, let's get started later.